Hey guys, welcome to Let's Try to Get. I'm on 10%. Let's try to get the swimmy Barnaby skin, cause I'm unemployed and a baby. You guys don't need to tap the thing, by the way. You can just press anywhere. Here, listen. El Nino! El Nino is coming. I don't know what my sister is referencing to, but I do not give a fart. Bow. I saw someone beat 1006. Like, why did I sit on this up? I need to die. I need to waste all my ichor. Welcome to Let's Waste our ichor. I know it's ichor, but I just prefer calling it ichor. Ichor. I'm gonna die. Oh shoot. Wait, I didn't even realize it was that far. Dang it! Ah! At least I'm on top of Alea. Would you? Adeline? I'm gonna die. Darn, 106 people. I don't even care. Let's not even look at the score. How do we disable scores? I don't even know if I don't want to look at my darn ichor anymore. I'm gonna be poor as fart. I already know I'm at like 900 or 800. What the heck? You know, what the heck? Dandy's bud? I should become a Dandy's bud too. Let's become a Dandy bud together, sir. No, yeah, that's right. I wanna create a new account and become a Dandy bud. No! Just in case this account gets banned, then I would have to go wait for all the darn. You know, the Gordy update was actually my prime. I don't know how you say, but I was so pro during the Gordy update. Wasn't Gordy a gourd, or was he just a pumpkin? No, he's a gourd. A gourd is like something to drink out of. Who is that? And why are they trying to ruin my scores? What the heck, bro? No, I'm not friending you. I'm losing all my friends. This is scary. I stared at the score for a second and I shouldn't have. Focus on the Barnaby. Focus on the Barnaby. Focus on the Barnaby. Barnaby. Why am I not even focusing on the Barnaby? I'm focusing on these darn seaweeds. El Nino? Who even is El Nino? And then we did it. We passed. Stop staring at the darn score, bro. I have to keep telling myself that. Ooh, this is so cool. We did it! We did it!